Hi guys, so today we're going to jump right into the demo process of this demo and review. You guys know, if you've seen my last video, that I already tried the intensive hydration leave-in, which is what's in my hair now. So I will link that video below if you want more details on it. But as a quick update, I added water to this and shook it up, and now we are good to go. You guys know that I mentioned in my last video it was super thick. So now that I've added water to it, it's definitely easier to work with, has more slip. It could still use more water to be added to it, but because there's only so much product that can fit in the bottle, I just added as much water as I could so that the product wouldn't overflow. So just so you guys can see, so you see how easy that's how a milk is supposed to come out, unlike my previous video. So yeah, I just wanted to quickly update you guys on that. So like I said, product is already applied and we're good to go. So now we're just gonna move right into the star of the show, and that is the Max Hold Gel, and it has fig extract and baobab oil, and of course it's from the Manuka honey and Mafura oil line. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply this to my hair. And I did open it a little bit ago, and the first thing that I noticed was it seems to be a bit more gelatinous kind of than the JBCO Max Hold Gel. So I don't know, do you guys want me to do like a review comparing them later? I don't know, afterwards? I can, we'll see. But yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and apply the product, and I'll come back with the results and review for you. Okay. Okay, so right off the bat, I'm noticing that the product doesn't really seem to help with any type of slip. It kind of just makes it more watery, but it doesn't make product have more slip, you know? So yeah, that's what I'm primarily noticing right now. Okay, so I'm back with my final thoughts on the product. So when I first came in, that was my hair just dry, no product added whatsoever. The definition was definitely there, but the camera didn't really pick it up, but my hair wasn't really shiny. Like, it definitely needed an oil, which is why I decided to scrunch out the crunch with this macadamia oil for no specific reason other than I'm just trying to use this one up, but I definitely would have needed an oil. There wasn't really much of a crunch, but there was a lot of definition. So that is what I feel like is possibly different from the JBCO oil. The reason I say possibly is because when I did the JBCO gel, I did it in a twist out, which is like, I kind of call that like a molded or manipulated style. So whenever you do something like that, I feel like there's going to be more hold because the hair is like clumped together. So I don't know. Do you guys want to see a review of, or a review, I guess that's what I would call it, you know, of a comparison of the two? Not a review, a comparison of those two, along with maybe Shea Moisture has come out with a coconut and hibiscus max hold gel. Maybe they have. I don't know. Maybe I have some new Shea Moisture goodies on the way to my home as we speak. I'm just saying. But anyway, that's not what we're here for. We're here for this. So overall thoughts. I like this gel. I honestly am not sure which one I like between the JVCO gel and this one, like I said, simply because one was a molded style and one was like, you know, this is just my natural curl pattern. It definitely enhanced my hair. You saw how bouncy it was. It's extremely bouncy. I love the volume. It seemed like all of my curls are pretty much the same length. Ignore this chunk of like gel right here. That's on me. But no, it, you know, my hair is like, it seems like it's all the same length, which with some gels, I don't know why, but certain parts of my hair just kind of reacts differently. So, you know, I'll have like the back way shorter than the rest of my hair, and that's not the case. I mean, it's still a little bit shorter, but it's not like ridiculously shorter. So yeah, the only thing I would say, of course, I would add to this style would be my eco style around the perimeter. Because if I don't, when I like just hold my head down like that, my hair tends to go forward more and more throughout the day. So I would definitely have the eco style gel just to push my hair back, because that's how I prefer to wear it when it's parted down the middle. Let's see. Trying to make sure I touched all the points that I wanted to. I think so. I just want to see what it says it's supposed to do, and I'll tell you if I believe that it did that. It says here, this light be so bright, but like, because it's so bright, it like casts a shadow, so I can't be reading this stuff sometimes. But so it says it moisturizes and defines with this alcohol-free gel, alcohol-free gel that provides long-lasting hold to keep dry, curly styles in place without hard crunchies or flaking. Blended with certified organic shea butter, Manuka honey, Mafura, and baobab oils. This lightweight formula that nourishes and conditions. It's taking too long to get to the point. I'm assuming it's supposed to be lightweight with max hold. Oh my god. Y'all took forever to get there. So yeah. Anywho, I think that's all I wanted to say on that. I think I pretty much hit all the points. I do think that it is lightweight with a good amount of hold. I'm not willing to say max hold quite yet, but if I just had to, off first impressions alone, pick a gel that I liked more, it would be the JVCO, just because I like gels with more crunch. I'm here for the crunch, and I'm okay with scrunching out the crunch. But yeah, like I said, if you guys want to see a comparison, then let a player know. I'll be more than happy to film it for you. And I think that is it. I feel like I'm rushing because I have somewhere to be, but I'm trying to get all of my thoughts out. Are we... I think we're good. Alright, that's all I had to say, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.